Hi there, Margaret Raitt, wellness advocate with doTERRA. All that means to you is that I love educating people on the value of using natural solutions for whatever ails you. So I am going to show you the smartest way to order from doTERRA. First of all, if you don't already have your own account, customer wholesale account, click on the link below that I've posted in this for you to get a gift from me of your first year of membership for free. It's a VIP customer account. You can order whenever you want at 25% off. For those of you who already have your own account, I'm going to show you the smartest way to buy. So under your account, this is at doTERRA.com. Under account up here at the top, you're going to go ahead and log in. And I have mine saved on here. You can save it. You can use your email or your ID number. And if you can't remember your password, you can always reset it. So you're going to log in. Once I'm in here, I will be directed to the shop area. So this is where we will scroll down. And I already have a loyalty order set up. Our loyalty rewards program is the smartest way to buy. You will receive free shipping if your order is over 100 points. Otherwise, you'll receive $5 credit back on your shipping. You will receive 10 to 30% back in product credits. And you will also receive extra discounts and you can get the free product of the month. And I'll show you how to do that here in a second. So I already have mine set up. I'm not going to show you how to update it on this video. I'm going to show you how to create a new one. If you have nothing here, it'll give you the option of creating a new loyalty order. You will then be prompted to select a date. So scroll down and the purple dates are dates that are available so that if you do order a 125 point order, you will get a free product. And every month that changes and it's usually something you can't buy and it's usually worth about $15 or so, sometimes more. You can choose these other dates, but you won't be eligible for the free product. So I'm going to go ahead and choose the 13th. You can also change your date at any time as long as you go in there the night before it's supposed to ship. Save date and shop, click on that. And then here we are. Now I can just start shopping and looking at things. You can go to different categories under shop, essential oils, Meta Power line. You can see all these. So let's just go to essential oils. I'm going to go and click on most popular ones. And let's say that I want a bottle of Breathe. Another nice feature we've just added is you can click on these hearts if you want to save a wish list, and you'll be able to add those to your cart at any time. You can just say, look at my wish list. So anyway, I'm going to add the Breathe to my bag. So I'm just going to show you this with one product real quick. Actually, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and add on my favorite. I have to have these every month. So our lifelong vitality pack, which will give you all the nutrition you need that you're not getting from the food you're eating. And then with this, if you do get the lifelong vitality, this is what I'm talking about, the loyalty reward program, giving you extra discounts. You can choose up to 3 extra supplements or products at a huge discount. For instance, I almost always choose the deep blue because I'm getting that for almost half price. It would be 46 and I'm getting it for 26. I alternate between the probiotics and the Mito 2 Max. I almost always get the Terrazyme. Oopsie. Oh, darn it. I have to go to my bag now. Oops, I went too far left. Okay, so I'm going to go and show you this again. You can customize it with up to 3. Meta Power Sachets, I love to do that. That's a $20 discount on those. So I'll just pick 3 here and show you real quick how to do this. So I'm going to pick the deep blue for my aches and discomfort and my Terrazyme. And then you continue and it adds those to your bag. So now I am in my bag because anytime you want to review, you go up to bag and you hit on review. And in here, you can do quick add. Up here, you can search. You don't have to shop up here to find the products you want. So right now I'm over 165 PV looking over here on the right. So I'm going to get the free product of the month. All I have to do is save this and let it process on the date that I chose. You always want to check for personal consumption so that you won't get charged tax on the retail amount. And then your option to donate to Healing Hands, you could donate $1 up to whatever you want. See, here's my wish list below that I have. These are items that I love. I can go ahead and click on those and add those to my bag if I wanted to. Let's add the frankincense, which I can't live without as well. I just recently got it for free though. So this puts me up over 200 PV. If I were to process this month, we have a 200 PV promotion. You can go ahead and proceed to checkout early if you want. I'm not going to do this because I don't want this to happen live. But now all my free products are showing up. Look, you get Copaiba soft gels and Copaiba for free. Every few months, we have a 200 PV promotion. So I am going to go ahead and review my bag again. And I'm just going to save. Normally, I would save and process that, but I'm not going to because I already have mine set up. But once you save and process it, you can go back in and edit it anytime up until midnight the night before it ships. So if you have any questions about this, I'm going to go ahead and cancel this order. I think it's way down here. Oh, this is where you'll set up your shipping. See, my shipping is free because it's over 100 PV. You can change the ship to address. You can send to your relatives wherever you want. You can change your payment method. I have an account credit here I could use on anything I want. I could put that on my next order. How you want to be notified, you can choose text, whatever. I'm going to go ahead and delete this before I save it because I don't need it. And that's all you have to do. So then when you log in again, your order will be sitting. You'll scroll down and your order will be sitting right here. And then you can go in and update it. Okay, I could go in, I can change the date up here by clicking on the date. I can add things, I can take things off. Oh, I changed my mind, I don't want that. I can remove it. I'm just going to do this right now while I'm here because I know I don't need that again next month. And then I'm going to go ahead and save and process this on June 12th because that's when mine is set to be shipped. So if you have any questions, comment below, reach out to me. I want to help you save the most money. And this is the smartest way to do that with your doTERRA account. And again, if you don't have an account and you want a free VIP customer account where you get 25% off, click on my referral link. I'll try to have it here and down below. All right, have a great day. Bye-bye.